Stay one place, please. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to show you a quick wig I made. So this wig is very simple. All you need your wig cap, you need the mannequin head, and you need your hair obviously, and one other thing that you need would be a glue gun. So I've listed everything that you need to make this video. So what I'm doing right here is I'm trying to mark the place I would like the hair to finish. So this will be like my finish points. So this hair is gonna be very easy DIY that you can do at home while you're home. So I'm using old hair. These are hairs that maybe I've used them to do like a sew-in before. So I pick them up and wash them and just like try to use it for something different now. So guys, so like I said before, you need a hot glue gun. And of course I'm starting from the back, which is very easy. Yeah, you can get this hot glue gun from shops. I don't know what kind of shops, but maybe hair shop. I didn't buy this from hair shop anyway. I think I bought this from eBay. So just type hot glue gun on eBay and you get it. So yeah, I started off without covering my mannequin head. That is my mistake, so don't do that. Because why you need to cover your mannequin head before you start, because when you finish it might be the hot glue might just penetrate through the cap and it will be hard for you to remove it, and you might ruin your mannequin head, and you don't want that. So yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm not going to cut and apply, but if you feel that you have to cut your weave to apply, then just go ahead and do that. I don't want to cut mine, so I'm just going from ear to ear, and at the end of it I'm gonna flip. And you can see I use like two different methods of applying this hair. Sometimes I apply the glue gun on the wig cap, and sometimes I apply the glue on the hair weave itself before I paste it. I think it has to do with, like, if I'm going from the left to right, it kind of is easy for me to do either of the two. So yeah guys, this is simple. Sometimes this can be very messy when you're trying to do it and you're like, oh god, this is not gonna work out. Don't worry, all that extra glue you're seeing on the hair won't stay. When you wash the hair off or comb it out, everything will just come off, so don't just worry. This is really nice. I believe this hot glue method lasts longer than the black hair bond, but at the same time I have another video coming up which I use the bond method. So guys, just stay tuned and watch this video, and don't forget to rate me and tell me what you think in the comment section about this hair. I think I did a good job, and I'm just trying to do this because it's very easy for people to do. A lot of people are at home now and they cannot go to the salon, so you can just order a few of this stuff on eBay and just construct your own wig with your old weaves that you have at home, and voila, you'll be shocked at your at what you come up with, and yeah, you really like it. So yeah, I'll let you watch a little bit and I'll come and talk to you guys again. Alright, so getting to this point, you can see I've started taking my weave to go round now. So I'm gonna be doing the circular one, like I'm just going to go round until my circle gets smaller. So like you can see, my circle is getting smaller and I'm beginning to approach my mark where I put the foundation in the middle. And so now that is smaller, there are two ways to close this one here. You can just continue going until your last weave and everything will just close, or you can stop here and just take some hair off and just, you know, roll it around and place it on top. I have a video like that. I'm going to insert it under, and if you don't understand it, you can watch that video. And if not, I still have another video coming which I'll still do another method, but I just wanted to show you that it's not the only method, because everyone does not know how to do that part, and that one is like very easy, but this also is easy if you know what to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue pushing it in until the last minute, and you'll be so amazed at the result. It's gonna look similar to the one that you just have to cut hair out and do it outside and place it on top. And so guys, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the hair, then I'll come back to you guys. So before then, no, I'm going to take it off the mannequin head, then, you know, remove the plastic bag under, then get it washed, then come back and do the styling. Okay, now so the hair is washed, and so I'm trying to just like brush it out and see, and you know, remove anything that is not supposed to be there. And I really like this hair. This method can take you an hour to do if you are serious about it. It's very easy. So I'm trying to see, because I want to do like a fringe, but at this point, if you don't want a fringe, you can leave your hair like this. I will wear it and show you how you can leave it like that. Like if you want like center part, side part, you can just leave your hair like this. But just because I want to cut mine, so I just want to see, because I don't have that kind of hair wig, I mean, that have the fringe in the front and a coily one at that. So I kind of wanted to just rock that. So yeah, I'm back, and this is the hair. I like to air dry a little, and so I'm trying to show you the points. And this camera is not focusing. Like, focus for God's sake. Like, all right, okay, so this is it. Did you see how I closed that? Did you see how I closed that? Very nice. All right, so at this point you should give me a like if you have not liked yet. So guys, so I'm gonna wear this wig now, and I will show you what I will do next. Alright, so I've put it on. So that, what I mean is, if you want to wear this to a side like this, you can just wear it like this and you're good to go. Like guys, people like, oh, that's not for me. Yeah, it's not for you. Some people don't want lace, to be wearing lace. They don't want to see that lace on their hair. Trust me, a lot of people don't like lace on their hair. They just want their hair covered like this, which I understand, because we are all different. Everybody wants different things. So please, before you write a comment and say it's not for me, just know that you are not the same as the other person that likes this. This video was actually requested. People asked me to do this style. So if this is not for you, you don't have to hate, you don't have to dislike, just don't watch it. But I know people like this kind of hairstyle. So for going forward, I'm gonna go and cut the fringe. And when you are cutting the fringe, be careful not to cut too low. So for a start, just cut around your nose, like the tip of your nose. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then after that, I'm gonna see if I can work it up to the right position. So yeah, that's what I'm doing basically. Just watch. And guys, I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful. Don't forget to subscribe here if you're watching me for the very first time, and bye for now.